Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to see how you can create these types of viral reels. So without wasting any of your moment, let's get into your video. So the very first step is you need to play your video. So here I have taken this video for reference. So first take your video and take a screenshot where you want to add the GTA effect. So the screenshot has been taken. Now open your PicsArt application, and if you want to download PicsArt application, then the link is provided in the description. After opening PicsArt application, click on edit option and select the screenshot image which you have taken. Now choose the option called cutout and then click on person. Restore the parts which are not taken into red area and click on save option. Now here you will need to add two effects. So now go to the effect section, and in magic section you'll see an effect called rose quartz. So select that effect and put the fade to 73%, and after that click on done option provided at top right corner. Now again add another effect called neo pop and set the fade effect to 93%. After that click on fit option and select the GTA San Andreas background image from your gallery. And if you want the background images, then the link is provided in the description and all the assets are provided in there, like background images, logo, PNG and also music. Click the ratio to Instagram story and adjust your person's PNG and click on done. Now click on add photo option and import GTA San Andreas logo. Adjust the logo according to your preference and click on save option and save the photo in your gallery. Now open any video editor. So here I have chose InShot video editor, and after that select your video and the photo which you have saved from PicsArt and merge them together. And add the GTA San Andreas background music so that it will look cool. And again guys, the background music and the background images and all the required assets are provided. So the link is in the description, go and download. And if you like this video, then do give it a like and subscribe.